temperature, it now has winds of 140 miles per hour. It's moving toward the west-northwest at 17 miles per hour. It has strengthened a little bit.
I got something for you, baby. I want to know you, lady. Told you I'm different. Don't do it distant. Forever I'm ready. Hey, you guys. I look a little wretched right now. Oh Lord, it's lightning out. I'm looking a little wretched right now because I was in the house. Y'all hear that? I'm trying to go to the store to get some water. Cause I went grocery shopping last night. Get some water and some tissue. But y'all, it's about to storm. I can't turn the camera around. But y'all see the sky? Look at how the sky look right now. I'm sorry, you guys. That look real wretched. Nobody gonna let me over. But I'm trying to hurry up before it starts pouring down raining. Okay, you guys. Let me run in the store right quick. I will be right back. Okay, you guys. I am back. Sweating, y'all. It's so freaking hot outside, and it is still thundering and lightning like heck. Luckily, I made it out the store before it started raining, though. Cause I would have hated if I would have got stuck in the rain. But y'all, them lines in there was crazy, really crazy. I was trying so hard to record. I should have turned on my AC. Hot out here. But yeah, I wanted to talk about the storm. Okay, so I went yesterday to prepare for the storm. I don't know if y'all can hear me because the AC. Let me turn it down. Okay, so okay, so I went yesterday. Right quick. Okay, so trying to get the camera right. Why did I? Okay, so I went yesterday to get some food for the house, just in case for the storm. Okay, so I went yesterday to get some food for the house. Cause if y'all watch my introduction video, y'all know that I live in South Carolina. And Florence is supposed to hit in between, well, it's supposed to hit in North Carolina, but it said it could be in South Carolina as well. She's very close. I call her she because her name is Florence. But she can hit anywhere. I mean, they can say that she could be going to North Carolina and go the opposite direction. They already started evacuating down there at the coast. Started evacuating the coast. So, I mean, really make a lot of impact, and it could be a lot of flooding here. So, I did get some food. I did get some water just now. And then I got like other supplies just in case we have to get out. Just stuff, you know, just to have just in case. Because the storm is like, she's getting really close. She's supposed to hit, they say, do y'all hear that thunder? She's supposed to be hitting Thursday night, they say, Friday. So yeah, she's getting really close. The sky is getting really dark, y'all. Like really dark. Y'all can see the clouds is really dark. But I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm about to go back in the house and take all this water and stuff in. But I just wanted to get on here and talk about that for a moment. We do kind of have a safe plan. I filled up on gas also last night. I still have to go to work tomorrow, and unless they call it off. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and talk about that. All right.